Tips for picking up rare books at garage sales and estate sales from an antiquarian book dealer. First, let's get this out of the way. It is unlikely you're going to find a truly rare book at a garage sale. A $100,000 book, a $10,000 book. Yes, it has happened, but you're statistically more likely to win the lottery than find a $100,000 book in a garage sale. So let's focus instead on the type of books that you might find for $2 or $5 and then you could sell for $100. There also aren't particular titles that I would recommend you keep an eye out for because there are hundreds, thousands of different titles that are rare and collectible on the current marketplace. So it's less about that and more about what principles you can apply as you're looking at any given group of books in a random location like a garage sale. Those principles are condition, edition, and completeness. Especially when it comes to garage sales and estate sales, condition is very important. If you see a book that has water stains or has the binding coming off or the pages are ripped, then that's probably not going to fetch very much on the collectible marketplace. That doesn't mean that they're not fun to collect in their own way, it's just that the marketplace doesn't put a lot of monetary value on them right now. Next, edition. You're really looking for first editions if you're in the marketplace in the United States. It can be very hard to tell what a first edition is for earlier books just on the fly, but if you don't have any reference books on you and you were looking at a garage sale, any book from the late 1970s forward is likely to have what we call a number line. That's on the copyright page. Look at my previous videos for this. You want that number line to go down to 1 because first edition means first printing when it comes to these 20th century books. Finally, completeness. If a book was published with a dust jacket, and especially about 1925 onward, then it really should have the dust jacket if you're looking for books with value on the collectible marketplace. Which means if it's a book from 1950 and it doesn't have the dust jacket, you can in most cases just safely pass that by. Or, for example, if it was part of a larger set, you see a Charles Dickens works, but you only see volume 2, it says volume 2 on the title page, but you don't see any of the other volumes, you can safely pass that by as well because it is incomplete, the whole set isn't there. Those are the 3 things you're looking for: condition, edition, and completeness. Happy hunting!